guys, it's your boy SMS Impossible back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix a broken iPhone 7 Plus for £10. I know usually when you go to shops and you get your phone to be repaired, whether it's struggling to turn on or whether the screen's cracked, you have to pay about 150, 120 something pounds. However, with this kit here that you can get on eBay for £10, it comes with the essentials you use to fix your iPhone. So you've got one flathead screwdriver, one Phillips screwdriver, one 5-star screwdriver, and some other accessories that I don't exactly know the name of. But I mean, I literally just got this fresh in the mail now. As you can see, it's called the eBuyFix. Whoops, it's okay, we can fix it. Here it comes with some type of string or tape that you use. Toolkit in here that you have to open up the phone. Besides, guys, when you do this, make sure you switch off your phone first. This is like something that they use for a guitar right here. It looks pretty cool. I don't know what's in here yet. I'm gonna search. Some more extra string. And instruction manual. Hold on, give me 1 second. Oh yeah, guys. But I bought this from Amazon, so I mean, this is what it comes with. Given to me on the 4th. Oh yeah, I don't need to show you guys that. That's a bit stupid of me. Anyways, yeah. That is the video. So I mean, I will see you guys when I see you. Peace out.